4 toss, okay? 7 bird. I said couple home to breed, so 7 bird here. They're ready to go for 8 mile from home. On this way. Okay, good. Ready to go, 8 mile, 4 toss. They all flying?
Yeah, they're flying.
All right, they all go. They all go that way. Don't go straight. All right, they're still going. They're back, missing 1. That's a bad day. Dropped 7, got 6. Maybe 1 flew someone else. Or the hawk took 1. Oh, I thought she was missing, but she's right there. My God, he's hungry. Come first, go in here, go eat. She don't wanna fly. Oh, we got 7 back. It's just 2 baby right here. Baby's not flying yet.